Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting now? Unlock the taskbar if it's locked, then open Settings Personalization taskbar so you can change what appears. Once open, focus on the notification area and taskbar behaviors entries because those control small icons and pinned app behavior. Make sure you're an admin or using an account with settings access. Otherwise, you can't remove some items. Now, right-click any icon you want to remove and watch for quick remove or unpin options before moving to deeper settings. Continue by turning off specific items in taskbar settings. Open, select which icons appear on the taskbar, and toggle off the ones you don't want. For built-in items, use turn system icons on or off to hide clock, volume, or network. This removes their icons permanently from view. For pinned applications, right-click the app on the taskbar and choose Unpin from Taskbar. That removes the shortcut without uninstalling. If an icon is in the Overflow menu, drag it out or toggle its visibility to adjust exactly what shows. Finish by restarting Windows Explorer via Task Manager to apply all changes immediately. This prevents stale icons from lingering. Then sign out and back in or reboot to ensure settings stick. If an icon persists, clear the icon cache or remove the related app startup entry because stubborn icons often come from background processes. Troubleshooting tip: if removal still fails, boot to safe mode or use an administrator account to remove the app or edit the registry carefully, only when you understand the risks, and make a backup first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.